Oh, my name is Christian and Sikat from BSI 40. So this is my online report, application maintenance and monitoring. The name of my report is Gotham Bank. So let's go into the first panel. Application details. Application name is Gotham Bank. Developer Gotham Bank Corporation. Category Digital Banking, Financial Technology. User over 2 million active user in the Philippines. So, GoTime Bank is a digital banking app made by GoTime Bank Corporation. It belongs to the financial technology fintech category, which means it lets people do banking using their phones instead of going to a physical bank. The app is very popular in the Philippines and is used by more than 2 million active users. People use GoTime Bank to save money, send, receive funds, and manage their finance online in the fast and convenient way. So next, overview. So yung overview, the main goal of GoTime Bank is to provide Filipinos with a secure, fast, and convenient digital banking experience, experience using their mobile phones instead of going to a physical bank. Users can open an account directly through the app, making banking easier and more accessible for everyone. Through GoTime Bank, user can transfer money to others' bank or e-wallet, pay utility bills such as electricity, water, and internet, and monitor their savings and expenses in real time. For example, a user can send money to a family member instantly or pay bills without leaving their home. The system is designed with strong security features to protect user information and transactions, such as account verification and encrypt data. It also ensures faster and accurate transaction process, so payments and transfer are completed without delay. Next, advantages. Data, number one, data security. So yung if the security, GoTime Bank provides strong protection for users' information and transactions. It uses end-to-end encryption, which means data is securely protected while being sent and received. Uh, the app also uses multiple factors authentication (MFA), so user must verify their identity using more than one method as a password and one-time code. In addition, GoTime Bank supports biometric logins like fingerprints or facial recognition along with secure PIN codes to make sure only the account owner access the account. For example, even if someone knows your PIN, they still cannot log in without your fingerprint or face scan. The system is also regularly updated with the latest cybersecurity measurement to protect against hacking, through unauthorized access. This helps ensure user money, personal information remains safe at all times. Next, massive data handling. Massive data handling. GoTime Bank is capable of handling large amounts of data and transactions at the same time. It uses a cloud infrastructure which allows the system to process millions of transactions daily without slowing down. This means many users can save money, pay bills, or check their balance at the same time without issue. The system also uses real-time monitoring to ensure that funds transfer payments are processed smoothly and correctly. GoTime Bank is integrated with financial networks and payment gateways. This allows users to transfer funds to the other bank's e-wallet and merchants easily. Like system updates. So, system updates. GoTime Bank regularly performs system updates to improve the app's performance, features, and interfaces UI. Those updates help the app faster, easier to use, and more user-friendly. To avoid problems for users, updates are released through a gradual rollout. This means the new version is the first made available to a small group of users before being raised to everyone. GoTime Bank also uses automated testing to make sure updates work properly on different devices and operating systems. For instance, the app is tested on various Android and iOS phones to ensure all features function correctly, providing a smooth and reliable banking experience for all users. Next, disadvantage naman tayo. Da- Data security risk. Data security risk. Even with strong security features, real-time bank users may still face security risks, especially from phishing attacks. For example, scammers may send fake emails or links that look like they are from GoTime Bank to trick users into sharing their login details. Another is user behavior, such as using with password, reusing the same PIN, or sharing their mobile phones with others. Number two, massive data challenges. Handling millions of transactions daily can also create technical challenges during peak days such as salary days, holidays, or major online sales. Server load may become very high, which can cause temporary delays in money transaction transfer or a success. Additionally, storing large amounts of encrypted data requires significant cloud storage and computing resources. Number three, system upgrade issue. System upgrade issue also system update improves the app. They may sometimes cause temporary problems. For example, after an update, some user may experience difficulty logging in, delay notification, or issue with sync their account data. Another issue is device compatibility. New apps version may not work properly on older smartphones or updated operating system. Next, action during system failure. Number one, automatic backup and recovery. GoTime Bank uses automatic backup and recovery system to protect transaction data during system failures. The transactions are backed up in real time, which means data is saved immediately as it happens. For example, if the system suddenly crashes while a user is transferring money, the transaction records is still saved and can be restored once the system is back to online. It prevents lost funds and transaction history. Number two, fail servers. Failover servers. The system also uses failover servers to maintain continuous service when the main servers experience problems or go offline. Backup servers automatically take over the operations. For instance, if primary server fails due maintenance or unexpected issue, the backup server continues processing transactions so users can still access basic banking minimal interruption. Number three, incident response team. GoTime Bank has been dedicated incident response and security team that monitors the system 24/7. This team is quickly detects and responds to the technical problems, security threats, or system failures. For user notification, during the system issue or maintenance, GoTime Bank keeps user informed through clear and timely notifications. User receive alerts via app message, SMS, or email. For instance, if money transfer are temporarily unavailable due to the maintenance, users are notified in advance or update in a real time, so they know what is happening and when services will be restored. Next, conclusion. Conclusion: GoTime Bank works well and is trustworthy because it takes good care of its system, protects customer data, and keeps an eye on everything all the time. Even though managing money online and updating the system can be tricky, the bank's careful maintenance, strong security, and fast problem solving help keeps customer confident and make sure the services keep running smoothly. Next, that's all. Thank you.